Washington Governor Inslee announcing a new vaccine mandate today for large events. It's going to cover both indoor and outdoor venues.
There will also be a testing option for unvaccinated people. KREM 2's Ian Smay joining us live in the newsroom tonight with more on what the mandate entails. Ian?
Mark Whitney, Governor Inslee announced this afternoon that starting on November 15th, all large events, both indoors and outdoors, will have to require those attending to provide proof of vaccination. They can also allow people in with proof of a negative COVID-19 test. Now, the mandate applies to all indoor events with 1,000 or more people in attendance. For outdoor events, the threshold is 10,000 or more people. Venues can also allow people in if they show proof of a negative COVID-19 test that was taken 72 hours or less before the event. This all goes into effect on November 15th. And if you are showing proof of vaccination, that can be done by showing your official CDC vaccination card or a photo of it. You can also use a printed certificate or a screenshot of your vaccination record from myirmobile.com. Official medical records from the provider who gave you the shot also works. As for proof of a negative test, those need to be a copy or photo of the test results from the provider or lab that processed your test. During the press conference earlier today, Inslee said this is one way to encourage people to get vaccinated.
This is yet another step in an ongoing battle with this disease. We believe it is a very important one. It can help incentivize people to decide to get vaccinated and avoid the headache of having to get a test. We believe it will be yet another effective of the measures that we have taken.
This will apply to some local venues and events. The Spokane Chiefs regular season started a couple of weeks ago, and they usually have more than 1,000 fans in the seats at the Spokane Arena. Gonzaga is also set to start their season in a few weeks. And for outdoor venues, Martin Stadium, where the Washington State Cougars play their home games, can hold more than 10,000 fans. WSU and Gonzaga both already had these requirements in place. Now, these requirements will apply to ticketed or registered events with defined entrances like concerts and sporting events, but they won't apply to religious services or those held on school grounds. The governor's office also said today that Inslee is holding firm on next Monday's vaccine mandate deadline for a number of workers here in Washington State. In the newsroom tonight, Ian Smay, KREM 2 News.